What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today, we're on Cruisers Yachts 50 GLS. This is an American-made yacht, the perfect day boat, all-around boat. It's super spacious at a 14.6 beam, but you know, for a 50-foot boat, you'd think maybe it would be a little slower. This boat, you don't have to give that up. This boat's equipped with a triple 600 Mercury V12 engines with a top speed of 56 miles an hour. You can get to your destination faster. Now, starting off the back of the boat here, this boat's equipped with twin grills. So you could have two different things cooked in the back, or maybe your vegetables on one, your meat on the other, or maybe you need to separate whatever you're cooking, as well as a sink all the way on the starboard side. Underneath here, you actually have more storage. There is 4 doors to be able to access that. It's also where your shore power cord's coming out from right now. Now, working your way forward more, I know I said this boat has a 14.6 beam, but you actually have a patio door that can drop electrically on both port and starboard of this boat, extending that beam even further. There's not a lack of seating on this boat. You can see in the back here, we have a bench seat here, 2 L-shaped seats in the back. Now, one thing you're gonna notice here is this 50 GLS is an entertainment machine. For those people who like to bring out your friends, bring out the family, and entertain, this boat's perfect for that. Look how many speakers are above me here. We have 2 speakers on both sides of me facing aft, as well as 2 more facing forward just above my head right here. You have another one underneath the seat in the back here. But not only that, you have 4 options for table mounts back here. You have 2 up here, as well as 2 at the back. That's perfect. You don't have to put all of them out. Right now, we don't have any out. You can do any configuration you want back here. Now, working your way forward, you're gonna see a few nice details on this boat. There's actually 4 more cup holders up here, as well as 3 spots for wireless charging. If you pull this drawer out, you have 4 spots for wine bottles or champagne bottles here. Nice touch by Cruisers Yachts. Now, over on the starboard side, you're gonna have 2 fridge freezer combos here, as well as a nice stainless steel grab handle. You have your sink. You have a trash can area, as well as storage. You have a nice spot for a cutting board with dedicated storage. You have a nice spot for silverware. So after you're done entertaining, you could wash your silverware off here right at the sink, stow it away. Now on the port side, you have this beautiful wood finish table here, as well as an L-shaped seat. And you have cup holders just behind the seat here that are tucked away. So if people are sitting on the seat, they're not gonna accidentally sit on the drink or spill it over. Working up the helm here, you have a very nice ice maker right here, as well as 2 bolstered seats. Now this one has the bolster down. Very nice when you're sitting, you want that extra leg space. Or maybe for people like me who like to drive the boat and stand up, you have the bolster up like this, and you have more room here to drive around the console. Now the captain has his own cup holder here, as well as his own wireless phone charger. He has easy access to his trim tabs, joystick, and throttles all right here. Now you also have 3 Simrad electronic units. I'm the type of person where I don't like to have split screen. Me personally, I would be running your fish finder, radar, and GPS here, split up however you want it. You have more switches here, your spotlight control, bow thruster control, as well as your Simrad VHF, Seakeeper, 2 more cup holders, and a nice grab railing here for your co-pilot. Now working our way up to the front of the boat, this is a great spot for those people who love that sea breeze. You're open to the elements up here, those beautiful Florida summer days. Everyone can be hanging out up here, enjoying this breeze. There's enough room for about 7 adults up here. Each person on this side has their own armrest, which they can drop down or they can have it up. You have your 2 more JL audio speakers up here, so you don't have to worry about not being able to hear the music. Everyone has a cup holder up here, as well as access to your windlass, and you have your JL audio up here as well. So you don't have to run all the way back to the helm to change the song you're on or change the volume. Everything you need to have a good time is up here. Now follow me down below for the rest of the walkthrough video. Now the first thing you're gonna notice here is there's this beautiful wood finish all throughout the berth. Over here on the port side, you have your third fridge freezer combo here. No excuse to be drinking a warm drink on this boat. Plenty of storage for whatever beverages you would like to keep in there. As well as a microwave here, perfect for midnight snacks. Maybe the kids want to heat up something. As well as some storage underneath the microwave here. Now underneath the steps here, you have this very large sleeping area. Right now, the centerpiece is out, so you have two different beds, but you can actually put a filler in the middle there and make that one large bunk. Now moving forward, this is the suite where you have a queen size bed. I have a TV behind me here, as well as storage over on the starboard side. You make a nice closet. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, the head. So this is a head and shower combo. The shower's off to the right there. Nice seat, very nice sink, beautiful wood finish all throughout the bathroom. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video on the 50 GLS.